Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello dear students, today I will discuss about implicit function, the derivative of implicit function. We know that the y is function of x, this is our general format. Here y is dependent, x is independent. Then we can differentiate y with respect to x, we can find dy by dx. But suppose there is a relation just like that. Suppose x plus y equals to 5. If this, then we can find the value of y equals to 5 minus x. That is separation. Means y को बिल्कुल separate कर लिया, x के form में लिख लिया. This is explicit form. Explicit form. And suppose relation like this, sin xy, y plus this is equals to 5x. From this relation, you cannot find the value of x in terms of y and value of y in terms of x. They will be very tedious. So, this type of relation is known as implicit relation, implicit function. Here, y is also function of x or x is also function of y, you can consider. If x is function of y, then you can find dx upon dy. And then invert is dy by dx, then you can find derivative. Or derivative can be in the form of either in terms of x or in terms of y or in terms of both. So, this type of relation, whenever we get this type of relation, then for differentiating that function, you have to differentiate both sides partwise and then finally collect dy by dx and transferring on the right hand side, you can get the value of derivative. So, here we are trying to find the derivative of these functions. Okay, so let us try to find the derivative for push of 1. Very simple questions. Here for solution of 1. Okay, we are given what? X minus y equals to 5. And we have to find the value of dy by dx. So here you can find, because dy by dx, so you can find the value of y equals to x minus pi. The y is function of x, explicit form. So differentiate both sides. Differentiate with respect to x. Then left side differentiate dy upon dx. Right side differentiate partwise. First dx by dx minus d pi by dx. Different partly distributed. This is 1, this is 0. Pi constant, derivative 0. So this is equals to 1. So derivative dy upon dx equals to what? 1. Okay. You can also find the derivative of this function by differentiating both sides directly. How? Differentiate both sides. Then dx by dx minus dy upon dx equals to d pi by dx. Here you can see that this is 1 minus dy upon dx, this is 0. So here, from here you can also find dy by dx equals to 1. Okay. So this is the derivative of this function. Okay. Now take question second. How can find the derivative dy by dx? Here we can convert as a explicit form, just like x equals to cos inverse y plus sin y. That is, x is function of y, but differentiate it with respect to x will very tedious. Big process. So we are not adopting this. we are using for that. Here given, what is given? Y plus sin y equals to cos x. Okay. Now differentiate both sides directly with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, both side, on both side. Okay, on both side we get what? Distribute कर दो. First dy by dx plus dy dx of sin y, फिर dy dx of cos x, both side differentiate. Okay, now we have to find the value of dy by dx. Here this is dy by dx, okay, plus sin y is function. We are treating y is function of x. So y is function of x, that means this is composite function. So first you have to differentiate sin, then differentiation of sin will be cos y, and again y is function of x, so differentiate y with respect to x dy. Okay, so this clear, equals to differentiate of cos x minus sin x. So here take out common, so dy upon dx is common out, and plus 1 plus cos of y equals to minus sin x. Now dy upon dx equals to what? Dy upon dx equals to minus sin x upon 1 plus cos of y. So this is the value of derivative. Okay, dy by dx equals to this, where denominator should not be equals to 0, that means cos y equals to not minus 1, that is here y is not equals to 2n plus 1 pi, odd multiple of pi, or at odd multiple of pi cos y equals to minus 1. That's why this is not, y should not be equals to this. This is the derivative of dy by dx. This is the value of dy by dx for this question. Clear? Also, you can see for the question third, here we can write x equal to sin y upon sin a plus y. Also, we can differentiate both sides directly. In both cases, we can find dy by dx, but simple process will be x equals to sin y upon sin a plus y, then using quotient rule. Okay, so we can adopt any of the method. Now we are trying to direct differentiate on both sides. Okay, so let us start question third, just like this. Third, here given, what is given? Sin y equals to x sin a plus y. Okay, now we can write x equals to sin y upon sin a plus y. This is x, the value of x is in terms of y. Okay, so we can differentiate direct. We can find dx by dy, then you have to convert it. Okay, so here find derivative. So differentiate with respect to y on both sides. Then we get y के respect में, so dx upon dy equals to numerator upon denominator, quotient rule, by using quotient rule. So what? Sin square a plus y, this is what? Square of denominator, and here denominator will be as it, into differentiation of numerator, cos of y. Clear? Cos of y minus what will be there? Derivative of this sin denominator. साइन का डेरिवेटिव व्हाट? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ with respect to y. With respect to y. Derivative of what? Sin a plus y into numerator sin y. Sin y. So we are getting what? This is derivative of sin. Okay, derivative of sin. So sin a plus y into cos y minus sin derivative cos a plus y, also derivative of this with respect to y. a का 0 होना है और y का 1, so 1, 0 plus 1 into sin of y upon sin square a plus y. So here this is 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So we can like this into, now sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, just like this. Sin a cos a, cos b sin b, well, sin a minus b का फॉर्मूला लगना है. So here we have to apply what? Sin. After this line we can write like this, here dy upon dx equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So sin a plus a minus b, sin a minus b, sin a minus b means a plus y, a के जगह पे है माइनस b के जगह पे y, sin a minus b upon sin square a plus y. So this is equals to what? Sin a. So sin a upon sin square a plus y. This is the value of what? dx upon y, dx upon y, dx upon y. Okay, we get like this. Now we have to find the value of dy by dx. So convert it, inverse, take inverse of this, equals to sin square a plus y upon sin of a. Okay, taking inverse of this, so dy upon dx equals to this. This is the derivative of y, dy by dx, in terms of, we are getting in terms of y. So this is the answer, dy by dx. Okay, you can also direct differentiate both sides and collecting dy by dx, and then can get the value of derivative. Okay, if the answer will not same, then you can convert by using trigonometry. This is the answer. Okay, so dy by dx is this. So for finding derivative, that is dy by dx, we can use direct differentiate on both sides, very easy. It will follow for the questions, for solving questions of exercise. So note down this and be careful for next questions which will come through PPT before you. So be serious and note down all the questions. Okay, dear students.
Question 1 of exercise 5.3. Here find dy by dx if this relation is given. Here x, y and sin x. Here given relation is explicit relation, because here we can find the value of y in terms of x by solving it, and then we can differentiate y with respect to x, and we can get the value of dy by dx. But we can also direct differentiate both sides of this and get the result. So here we can do anything. So try to solve. Given equation is what? 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. So it is easy to directly differentiate on both sides. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get left side dy dx 2x dy dx 3y distributed derivative and dy by dx sin x. dy dx means derivative of 2x is 2, x का 1 होता है 3 and dy upon dx. Here dy dx sin x cos x. So we have to find dy by dx. So we can solve dy by dx to transfer cos x minus 2 by 3. So dy by dx equal to this. Very simple. Direct differentiate on both sides. You can also solve it, but here it is easy to direct differentiate on both sides. So we are getting dy by dx like this, okay, in terms of x. Now, take question second. Here 2x plus 3y equal to sin y, the right side. Here is changes. So, let us find. Given equation is what? 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. Again differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get dy dx 2x, dy dx 3y and dy dx sin y. Here y, we can solve it and x and y. Here x is function of y or y is function of x. So here you cannot find the value of y directly in terms of x. That's why we are differentiating this on both sides by x directly. So directly differentiate left side and right side like this. Now dy dx sin y. Because y is function of x. Okay, y is function of x. That's why we are doing here differentiation by chain rule. Because first of all, differentiate with respect differentiate with sine, then cos y you can get, and then again differentiate y with respect to x, because y is function of x, mixing it. So left hand side x2 plus 3 dy by dx cos y and dy dx of y. So here dy by dx in two places, so collect it by transferring. Now dy by dx transfer 3 dy by dx is equals to on the right hand side, then you can get by taking common dy by dx cos y minus 3 is equals to what? 2. Now dy by dx means cos y minus 3 denominator में चला जाएगा, so transferring is, so this is dy by dx 2y cos y minus 3. This derivative in terms of y के terms में derivative है. So you can differentiate and find the derivative in terms of either x or y, because here you cannot convert this relation directly in terms of x or y as a function of x. That's why we are differentiating both sides with respect to x and getting this. Okay, this is dy by dx of questions 2. Okay, similarly, taking question third, here given relation is like this: ax plus by square equals to cos y. Here also here cos y square. Now this is implicit relation. You cannot find the value of y in terms of x directly. That's why we can differentiate directly on both sides. So solution, given equation is what? Ax plus by square equal to cos y, and differentiating both sides with respect to x, then dy dx of this plus dy dx of this equal to dy dx of cos y. Here a constant, so ax, a out of side, then dy dx x1 a plus dy dx y square, b is constant, out of side derivative, so y square, this is composite because y is function of x, and so y square is a function, so square function. So first of all 2 by 2y, then again differentiate y with respect to x. Here also cos y minus sin y, and again differentiate with respect to y, x also, like this. Okay, a plus 2by 2y dy by dx minus sin y dy by dx. Now here two places percentage dy by dx. So transferring and you can get the value of dy by dx. Transferring this dy by dx sin y on left side, so plus the 2by plus sin y and dy by dx common out, y transferring to right side, so minus a. So here dy by dx equals to minus a upon 2by plus sin y. Also derivative is in terms of y. Okay, this is derivative of y with respect to x. Here is the relation. This is implicit relation. That's why we are differentiating directly and getting dy by dx like this. Okay. So that is the solution of 1 to 3 of question of exercise 5.3. Okay. Question 4 of exercise 5.3. Here also find dy by dx if this is equals to this. That is relation between x and y. Implicit relation is there. So find solution. Okay. The given equation is this, and we have to differentiate both sides directly. So with respect to x, we get a 1 by 1 differentiate dy dx xy, dy dx y square, dy dx 10x, and dy by dx. Distributed also differentiation. So here product rule xy x dy by dx plus y dx by dx 1, dy dx y square means what, 2y, and dy by dx 10x sec square x, and plus dy by dx. Here dy by dx are in three places, so collect them. So transferring this dy by dx to left side and y to right side, so we are getting like this, dy by dx common, so x plus 2y minus 1 dy by dx, and here sec square x minus y. So now dy by dx equals to sec square x minus y by 2x plus 2y minus 1. This is the value of dy by dx. Here x and y are involving in this derivative. So maybe y, may not be x, means in terms of x भी हो सकता है, y भी हो सकता है, and in terms of both x and y. Maybe here derivative in terms of x and y. So dy by dx is this. So these are the solution of question 4 of exercise 5.3. Now take next question 5. Okay, here relation is this, just like x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100. Also implicit relation, so we have to differentiate directly. The given equation is this, and differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get just like this differentiation dy dx x square, dy dx xy, dy dx y square, distribute हो गया derivative. Here derivative dy dx 100 is constant and derivative of constant is 0. So here will be 0. X square means x के respect to x, xy product rule, similar fashion. Y square means 2y dy by dx. So we are getting like this. Now here dy by dx are in two places, so collect them, common out this, then x plus 2y dy by dx, and 2x plus y take out on the right hand side like this. Okay, 2x plus y right hand side चला गया, और dy by dx x plus 2y. So now dy by dx equals to minus 2x plus y upon x plus 2y. So this is also involving x and y in this derivative. So this is the derivative of y with respect to x. That is the solution of question 5 of exercise 5.3. Now take next question 6. Here x cube plus x square plus xy square plus y cube equals to 81. Also similar fashion, the relation is given, implicit relation, that is there is no possibility of separation of x and y, so we have to differentiate directly implicit function. So solution, given relation is this. Now differentiating both side with respect to x, we get 1 by 1 differentiate 4 times dy dx x cube, dy dx x square y, dy dx x y square, dy dx y cube, dy dx 81 constant, so this is 0, and here x cube means the x square, and x square y means product rule, x square means first of function x square, then dy by dx plus y, then x square derivative 2x plus also here product rule xy square, so first function x, y square to 2y and then dy by dx, y square derivative with respect to x, so 2y dy by dx plus y square as it is x dx by dx 1, y cube 3y square, and dy by dx also there. So 1 2 3, here also 3 in 3 places dy by dx is present, so take out common, and remaining things take on the right hand side by transferring, just like this. Okay, dy by dx common, so x square plus 2xy plus 3y square dy by dx equals to 3x square 2xy plus y square. ऑल आर पॉजिटिव, सो राइट साइड जाएगा तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, माइनस साइन के साथ है. दैट्स वाई डी बाई डी एक्स इक्वल्स टू दिस अपॉन, इसको इसके नीचे ले आए. दिस डेरिवेटिव आल्सो इन्वॉल्व x and y both. So this is the derivative of y with respect to x, that is derivative की वैल्यू ये है. ओके, दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन 6 of exercise 5.3, implicit function. That's why we are differentiating directly and then collecting dy by dx and getting dy by dx equal to like this. Okay, question 7 of exercise 5.3. Here also find dy by dx derivative where y and x are mixing, that is implicit function. So we have to direct differentiate it. So here the given equation is sin square y plus cos xy equals to k. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x directly. So here dy dx sin square y plus dy dx cos xy dy dx k. K is constant derivative is 0. So right side will be 0. And left side dy dx sin square y means first of all a square function, so 2 sin y, then also 2 sin y, and then also sin y cos y, and then dy by dx. Okay, so 2 sin y directly chain rule. So 2 sin y, first of all square function, then sin y cos y, then y differentiate the derivative of y with respect to dy by dx, minus here first function is cos, so dy by dx cos of this, suppose single, so cos sin xy, then differentiate dy dx of xy, that is product function, x first function, then derivative of second function dy by dx plus y second function, derivative of first function x dx by dx 1. So this, okay, this is the derivative of cos xy. Okay, now here multiply sin xy to this, then finally we get like this, 2 sin y cos y means sin 2y dy by dx minus x into sin xy dy by dx minus y sin xy. Here dy by dx are in two places, so collect it, dy by dx common out, now sin 2y minus x sin xy dy by dx, and this value take out on the right side like this, minus है तो plus हो जाएगा. So now dy by dx equals to this upon this, that is y sin xy upon 2 sin 2y minus x sin 2y. There, these are also mixing value x and y, the derivative of this. Okay, here by using chain rule, here derivative of the sin square y and derivative of cos xy, this is the main thing. Okay, so note down this main thing. Clear? So this was the solution of question 7. Now take next question 8. Here also sin square x plus cos square y equals to 1. This is also mixing, but you can solve y in the value of y with respect to x, solve in terms of x, but no need here direct differentiate on both sides. Okay, so given equation is this, and differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get on the left side dy dx sin square x dy dx cos square y dy dx 1, this will be 0 constant. So here with respect to x, so 2 sin x into cos x, first of all x square function, 2 of sin x, and then differentiate of sin x, so cos x. Okay, here also cos square y, the first square function 2 cos y, then differentiate sin cos y, then minus sin y, and then differentiation dy dx of y. by chain rule. Okay, this is the derivative. Now here dy by dx is here and this. So transferring this value, sine 2x, this is 2 sine x cos x, that is sine 2x, sine 2 theta, formula of sine 2 theta. So sine 2x minus of 2 sin y cos y means also sin 2y dy by dx equal to 0. So transferring, we see that dy by dx equals to what? Sin 2x upon sin 2y. This is also mixing. So this is the derivative of y with respect to x. This is the solution of question 8. Okay. Similar, take question 9. Here y equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Here is different thing. We have to use the property of sin inverse x, and we use substitution. We know that 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta equals to sin 2 theta. That's why we can substitute here x equal to tan theta. Then it will be converted to sin 2 theta. The sin inverse into sin theta equals to what? Theta. So then we can convert it. So here we will substitute the value of x as a tan theta. So that is solution. So given equation is this. Let x equal to tan theta. Why? 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square, we convert it into sin theta. That's why we are taking like this. Okay. So here theta equals to tan inverse x. Also not done this. Now, therefore, y equals to sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is equals to sin 2 theta. We know this formula by trigonometry. So, remember it. Okay. So, you are requiring all the formulas of trigonometry and inverse trigonometry. So, revise these formulas. Now, we can write sin inverse this sin 2 theta. No, sin inverse sin theta means theta, that is 2 theta. We will get 2 theta. Theta equals to what? Tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x. Now y equals to 2 tan inverse x. Y equals to 2 tan inverse x. Tan inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x, we know 1 upon 1 plus x square. So differentiate both sides. Now for finding dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So here left side dy by dx and right side 2 tan inverse x dy by dx tan inverse x means 1 over 1 plus x square x. So this is the derivative of y, the value of dy by dx 2y 1 plus x square. So revise all the trigonometric formula and inverse trigonometric formula also, because by using that formula we can reduce a given function involving sin inverse to a simple form, and then we can differentiate directly, easily. Okay.